Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the world of outdoor tools and accessories. Today, we're excited to introduce what we consider the best weed eater line on the market, the Yooank Weed Eater Strain. A robust 0.095-inch line that's perfect for all your trimming needs. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just looking to tidy up your lawn, this commercial-grade trimmer line is designed to make your life easier and your garden more beautiful. The Yooank Weed Eater Strain comes in a 5-pound spool, offering a generous 1,722 feet of twisted line. This heavy-duty nylon strain is engineered for durability and performance, making it an excellent choice for tackling tough grasses and weeds. The twisted design enhances its ability to cut through thicker plants with ease, ensuring a clean and efficient trim every time. One of the standout features of this trimmer line is its compatibility. The Yooank line fits a wide range of trimmers, including popular models from Echo, Husqvarna, Ryobi, Craftsman, and many more. This versatility makes it an ideal replacement for various gas and electric trimmers, so you won't have to worry about compatibility issues. When it comes to durability, the Yooank Weed Eater Strain doesn't disappoint. Crafted from tough nylon cord, it's resistant to breakage, even under heavy use. This means less downtime spent on string replacement and more time getting the job done. Additionally, the line features excellent abrasion resistance, which significantly reduces the chances of breakage of the eyelet, a common weak point in many trimmer lines. What's more, the Yooank line is designed to minimize engine drag, vibration, and noise compared to traditional round nylon lines. This not only enhances the overall user experience but also makes your trimming sessions more comfortable. Say goodbye to the annoying vibrations and excessive noise that can turn yard work into a chore. Installation is a breeze with the Yooank Weed Eater Strain. It's designed for easy use and replacement, allowing you to spend less time setting up and more time working in your garden. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional landscaper, you'll appreciate how simple it is to switch out the line. Priced at $33.99, the Yooank Weed Eater Strain offers incredible value for the quality and quantity of line you receive. With 1,722 feet at your disposal, you can handle multiple jobs without constantly needing to buy more strain. Plus, the performance you get from this product is well worth the investment. It's not just a trimmer line, it's a tool that enhances your gardening efficiency. In conclusion, if you're looking for the best weed eater line, look no further than the Yooank Weed Eater Strain. Its durability, compatibility, and ease of use make it a top choice for anyone needing reliable trimming solutions. Whether you're maintaining a small garden or managing larger landscaping projects, this line is up to the task. Thank you for watching this episode of Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Let us know in the comments what tools you'd like us to review next. Until next time, happy trimming.